This is Tom Salemi from Device Talks. This is your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement. On Wednesday, May 19th at 11:30 a.m., Medical Design and Outsourcing will be hosting a new webinar called Electropolishing 101, Enhanced Corrosion Resistance, Deburring, and an Ultra-Smooth Surface Finish for Critical Metal Parts. We'll hear from Pat Hayes, the Vice President of Business Development at Able Electropolishing. Pat will tell us why so many manufacturers in industries like aerospace, medical device manufacturing, automotive manufacturing, and other industries choose electropolishing to finish their critical metal parts. During this webinar, you'll get an in-depth overview of how electropolishing works to remove a microscopically precise layer of surface material, along with the benefits it provides and the variety of alloys that can be electropolished. You can register for free for this webinar. Just use the link in the comment section down below. And as always, for information, news, and analysis on medical design and outsourcing, go to medicaldesignandoutsourcing.com. This has been your Medical Design and Outsourcing 2-minute webinar update. I'm Tom Salemi from Device Talks. Hope to see you there on May 19th.